I think he's a legend. He know what he has to do. I think whatever he do, he's doing his best. So that's why I said if you want to go home and come back, that's fine. So I think he did that, and he come back again, and he gave a good example for the rest of the guys. No need to he just keep doing what he knows. That's the main thing, the basic things. Those are the things we want to set as example for the youngsters. So I think he did really good job, and even the Dhananjaya, both of them are did a really good job. Those are the things every time turning the games, changing the games. Those are the performance changing the games.